Alright, we want to factor this that we can notice is a perfect cube. 27 is a perfect cube, n cubed is a perfect cube, and 8 is a perfect cube. So when we want to factor this, we're going to use that idea, as I preached to you, of sofas whenever we deal with a cubic polynomial. So what I do is I start off always with just breaking it into the first piece. It's always going to be a binomial, then it's going to be times a trinomial over here. So let's break down just the binomial piece first. To do that, I have to break the 27 down. I have to say, hey, what times what times what gave me 27? In other words, what's the cubic root of 27? That would be a 3. And obviously, it has to be an n there, because n times n times n is n cubed. So 27n cubed, the cubic root of all that is simply 3n. Because 3n times 3n times 3n gives you 27n cubed. Plus, well, what's the cubic root of 8? That's a 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So there's the first piece. That should really be the hardest part. Now that we have that, we're going to use this sofas to help us get the rest of it. S stands for square this first bit. So what is 3n times 3n? That's going to be 9n squared. O stands for the opposite sign. Since we used addition here, this must be subtraction. F stands for fuse these two together. So 2 times the 3n is going to create 6n. A stands for always add. And S, we're going to square this final term. 2 times 2 is 4. I guarantee you this binomial times that trinomial will create 27n cubed plus 8.